So I normally do one of them over here and then have them get out here.
Yeah, oh yeah.
It's really raining.
What we can do is get near, we can pull on the rope. So where is it? Yeah, it's not that far.
Wait for traffic to clear.
Are you gonna wait or?
Well, yeah.
Getting pretty close. Gates to go
We
down
got
in a
a
minute.
car coming, so you might not be first in line.
Come on, camera. Focus. I will wait. Here it comes. I hear it. Gates are going down. I'm gonna step out, okay?
Then if you don't get right back, fine. But if you don't get in, I gotta go, okay?
No, I'm just gonna get out for a minute.
Oh, okay.
Fine.
Cool, we caught it. You wave? Huh? Oh, you wave? Was it male or female? This is the one we saw, Andy? I think so. TrainVideo. Right? Going so fast, probably. Alright, when the end catches up out there, it's what, alright? Waynesburg, Kimball, Michigan, 49. Nice. Oh, sorry.
You're fine.
We're long, man. Oh, you get the number?
No, I didn't.
That's alright, I probably got it on video. Yeah, that's getting quick, alright? I can hear you quick. A482. Oh. Cool, wait. Hey, how many minutes did it take to end that 31?
I don't remember.
A long time? It's long. Long. Long one. Now what we're going to do is, the end catches up, we're going to get right back in, okay? You can't stay on the road like that. Cool. Yep, here's the cars we left off at. Columbia card. There's a CSX core card. That we saw on 31 miles. It's raining. What a long one. Put it here in Michigan. Bryan, Michigan. Detroit was called Bryan, Michigan. Oh, it comes here in Bryan, Michigan.